Hi viewers! Today we will learn physics while playing with balloon. Here you go, Alan.
Thank you.
Alan, this is the skewer.
Wow, this is Skewer.
Yeah, if I insert this, the balloon will blast or no?
No. Yes.
Blast or no?
Yes.
It will blast, right?
Yes.
But mommy will show you how to insert this without the balloon getting blast. Okay? Uh-oh, the balloon is very big. When we break from the side, it will blast. Wow! This balloon, I marked it here and then in the center. Okay, now I'm going to blow this. The mark is almost disappeared. Here it is more. This mark is disappeared because here the stretch is more. The pressure is more. Here the pressure is very low. If we
No.
break here, the balloon will not blast.